Hey guys, Cody Baramani here, Product and Engineering Manager. We're just catching up. Want to run through our new products that we've got. We came out with a bunch of great stuff just recently, and I want to introduce it all to you. Tell you why we have it, why you need it in your shop, and where you can learn more about it. So first, we want to talk about Rockwood. So we've got Rockwood Welders now. We've got one MIG welder, it's a MIG 160, and we've got a plasma cut 40. We designed these for somebody looking for their first welder. They're doing an occasional project here and there. They may only use this 4 or 5 times a year to get the job done, but we've made them super affordable. So now for about 250 bucks, you can get yourself a MIG welder. 250 bucks, you can get yourself a plasma cutter. You can weld up to 5/16, or you can cut up to 3/8. This is going to do any automotive restoration project that you need. So moving on, beyond Rockwood, we also have some new Rust Encapsulator products. So Rust Encapsulator Plus has really become our best-selling rust product, and it really is the best solution for the money. The nice thing about it is, unlike our Platinum, you don't need the top coat, but it's twice as strong as our original formula. What we've done is we've really grew the line and offer a bunch of different colors, so you can stick with that one coat, no need to top coat, and save some time, save some money. So we've now got gray, white, and red in aerosol. We also have gray, white, and red in our bulk sizes. We've got a trial size. This is nice for small projects. It's a good bit more affordable, right around 16 bucks. You can try out Rust Encapsulator Plus and you'll get hooked. Then you come back, you'll be able to buy some bigger sizes. We even have Rust Encapsulator Plus up to 5-gallon buckets now. So when you've got that dump truck, you can get the job done. Additionally, we brought Carb Renew back. So Carb Renew's been in the line for years. We've reformulated it. It's got increased gas resistance. We've now got silver and the traditional zinc chromate finish. So depending on what carburetor you've got and what the OE finish was, you can now replicate it. Or if you want to do something different and change it up, you can use either of these colors and get that project done. Now, one more really cool thing that we've been doing this year is Eastwood University. So we've got both in-person and online video classes. We've got professionals like Kevin Tates, Jamie Jordan, Ryan Krause, experts in their field, offering these classes to really show you how to get your project done. You can watch Kevin's. He's got how to paint cars, how to do rust repair. Ryan's got some videos online with our Eastwood Video University. Additionally, the in-person classes. You can take a weekend with Jamie Jordan, learn how to build a bomber seat, learn how to make bead roller art, or you can hang out with Ryan Krause, learn how to use that English wheel and shrinker, and really make the side of a motorcycle tank, make a fender, and it really jump starts you in your project. So that kind of sums up what we've got this week. Now we're going to do these videos on a regular basis and really introduce you to all the new products we're coming out with. We're always innovating here. We're always trying to come up with better and new solutions to make DIY restoration easier, more affordable, and just more enjoyable to do at home. So be sure to check out eastwood.com for all of our great deals and all of our new products. Thanks. Peace.